This video is going to show you how to complete a homework assignment in Schoology that's a PDF or fillable form. Go ahead and click on the assignment, read any instructions that the teacher might have typed in this area, and then download the form that is attached. As you can see, it's a PDF. When you download it, you'll see it in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. You can also find this file in your Downloads folder on your computer. Go ahead and open the file. If it opens as another tab in your browser, you have a couple of options. One of the options is to go ahead and fill it out. Then go up to the Print button in the upper right-hand corner, and your destination, choose Save as PDF, and then hit Save. Choose a place on your desktop or folders to save it. The other option is to hit the Download button. It's going to ask you if you want to download the edited version or the original version. Since you've typed in the form, go ahead and choose Edited version. It will download what you've typed up onto your computer. The other option for opening this file is to open your Adobe program from your computer, look for the icon. Yours will probably be red and white if you have the Reader version. Find the file by going to File, Open, and like I said before, it's probably in your Downloads folder. And open it right from the Adobe program. Then you can go ahead and fill it and save it. So once your file is saved, using either of the versions I showed you before, go ahead and hit the Submit Assignment button in Schoology. This will open up a box where you can upload your file. Click this little File Upload icon. Find your file and hit Submit. Your teacher now has your assignment.